Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to keep studying inequalities and we're going to look at linear systems. If you've completed the previous video, inequalities, linear in two variables, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So let's dive right in. Example 1, graph the system. So here's our system here, like that. We have y greater or equal to x plus 1. So this is our x plus 1 and it's going to be above, like that. We've seen that before. And then we have y less than negative x. So this is our negative x and we're below it. And so what's in common is here. So this is the solution region of the system, like that. Okay, b, y is less than x over 2 minus 1. So that's this equation here. It's dashed, like that. Y is less than 1. So this is 1 and we are less than 1. And so what's in common for both of them is this solution region right here. So this is the graph of the system. Okay, time for some practice. Graph the system, A, B, C, D. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. A, negative 2x like this, x plus 2 like that. For the x plus 2 it is solid, for the negative 2x it is dashed, and this is our region that's in common. Right? So greater and less. That's our solution region. B, y equals negative 2 over 3x minus 1, so that's this region here, or this function here, this line. And then y less than or equal to negative x over 2 plus 3, so that's this one here. So what's below both of them is this solution region right there. C, y is greater than negative 1, so that's above like this, but less than x plus 2. This is our x plus 2, and so this is our solution region. Okay, D. Equation 1, we're going to look at intercepts. So when x equals 0, we get y equals negative 2. When y equals 0, we get x equals 3. And so this is our line right here. Test point 0, 0 gives 0 greater or equal to 6, which is false. So this is not the solution region. It is underneath over like this. Second function, we're going to rewrite it here as y greater or equal to negative x. So this is our negative x and we are greater than, right? So less here, greater here, which gives this to be the solution region. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.